Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. This video is going to be a short episode of 15 exclusive bridal silk sarees. All these are pure triple warp hand-woven Kanchipuram silk sarees. All the 15 sarees that I'm going to show you today are silver zari pattern with 2-gram golden zari weaving. Very exclusive and intricate designs. Let's get started. The first one for today, it's a very pretty teal green self color with rich silver zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got beautifully woven floral buttas in silver zari running throughout the entire sari in brocade pattern. Towards the bottom part of the border, this has got beautifully woven floral pattern running along the border. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu in silver again. And this has got a plain blouse in teal green. So that's the blouse. Priced at 26,400. Tomato pink, full silver brocade weaving with kadi zari borders on either sides. The top part of the body has got an all over floral silver zari brocade weaving running along the body. And towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a block of paisley weaving in silver just to highlight the difference in design. That's the pallu, rich silver zari woven pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in tomato pink. That's the blouse. Priced at 26,400. This one is blue, full silver tissue sari with tissue borders on either sides. Very pretty peacock weaving running along the entire body. Beautiful and classy. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in blue. That's the blouse. Priced at 28,800. Silver grey, beautiful silver tissue sari with kadi zari borders in silver on either sides. Very pretty floral weaving running throughout the entire body. Beautiful and classy. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu. And this has got a jacquard woven blouse in silver grey. Priced at 26,400. Teal, a beautiful color with silver zari borders on either sides. Bavanji border along the top part with beautiful floral buttas running in brocade style along the entire body. Towards the bottom part of the sari, this has got a very pretty traditionally woven Kanchipuram border. That's the pallu, rich silver zari woven pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in teal. Priced at 23,200. This one is peachish pink, silver brocade pattern with kadi zari borders in silver on either sides. The middle portion of the sari has got very pretty zari checked pattern with small floral buttas in between the checks. And towards the bottom part of the sari, this has got beautiful floral weaving along the border. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu. And this has got a plain blouse with jacquard pattern in peachish pink. Priced at 26,400. Teal green, one more in silver tissue with plain borders in silver zari on either sides. Tree of life buttas woven throughout the sari. Very classy, rich and perfect bridal wear. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in teal green. Priced at 28,800. One more in pink, silver zari again with kadi zari borders on either sides. The body has got beautifully woven brocade pattern running throughout the entire body with very pretty floral pattern along the bottom part of the border. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu. And this has got a plain blouse with jacquard weaving in pink. Priced at 26,400. It's yellow and teal. One more beautiful color combination with traditional korvai weaving, short and long silver zari woven borders on either sides with very pretty floral weaving on both sides of the border. The body has got all over zari brocade weaving in silver. Very, very rich and classy color combination. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse in teal, priced at 36,800. Baby pink with kadi zari borders in silver on either sides. The body has got zari brocade weaving running throughout the entire sari, and a very pretty peacock pattern in tissue silver along the bottom part of the border. That's how it looks. That's the pallu, rich pallu in silver zari, and this has got a jacquard woven blouse in baby pink, priced at 26,400. It's pista green, silver tissue again with babanji borders on either sides. The body has got an all over tissue brocade weaving running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich silver zari woven pallu, and this has got a tissue blouse in pista green, priced at 20,800. Turquoise blue, a very pretty color with plain tissue silver borders on either sides. The body has got beautifully woven floral pattern in tissue again running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich silver zari woven pallu, and this has got a jacquard woven blouse in turquoise blue, priced at 26,400. Pink and grey, one more pretty color, beautiful and different color combination with short and long korvai borders on either sides, floral weaving on both sides of the borders with a brocade weaving in silver zari running along the body. That's the pallu, contrast rich zari woven pallu in silver again, and this has got a silver grey blouse with jacquard weaving, priced at 36,800. Teal, a very, very pretty sari with kadi zari borders in silver on either sides, brocade weaving running throughout the entire body, and beautiful highlight of golden zari in floral pattern just to highlight the border towards the bottom part of the sari. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and this has got a teal blouse with jacquard work, priced at 28,800. Last one, it's a beautiful pink with kadi zari borders in silver. The body has got very pretty zari brocade weaving in silver zari with a very pretty floral pattern towards the bottom part of the border. That's how it looks. This has got a rich zari woven pallu in silver. That's the pallu, and a plain jacquard woven blouse in pink, priced at 26,400. All these sarees are available in our website. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. We have much more unique designs and color combinations available in both our stores in T Nagar and Bangalore. You can also walk into the store to take a look at our bridal collection. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.